The Aqualyser Flex is suitable for pools up to 80 cubic meters. It is modular, easy to install, and connected thanks to the POOLEX application. The Aqualyser Flex adapts to your pool and automatically regulates chlorine production. Thanks to its removable hydraulic system, you can choose the water circulation direction, inlet on the right or on the left, depending on the configuration of your technical room. You will find all essential information, specifications, included accessories, connected features, and product dimensions. A QR code gives you direct access to the installation guide and useful resources. To make installation easier, a drilling template and a cutting template are printed on the underside of the box. When you open the Aqualyser Flex box, you will find the user manual, the small piping, the 50mm glue fittings, the analysis chamber with pH pump, the control box with its power supply, the 2 electrodes, pH probe and ORP probe, the hydraulic part, including the electrolysis cell and the grounding kit, and the calibration solutions, pH 7 and ORP 475 millivolts. All components are ready to be assembled according to your installation configuration. Before starting, prepare the following tools: sandpaper, glue, cleaner, cloth, saw, tape measure, cutter, flat screwdriver and Phillips screwdriver, level, cutting pliers, hammer drill with 6mm bit, and water test strips. Required material for the bypass: rigid PVC pipe 50mm. To start the procedure, you will also need a container of pH corrector and salt, compliant with standard EN 16401. Install the Aqualyser Flex in bypass on the return pipe after the heating system. Respect the direction of water flow using the arrow. Install the analysis chamber on the left or right, depending on the configuration of your technical room. Connect the suction and discharge tubes of the analysis chamber. Connect the tubes of the pH pump. Install the suction strainer on the transparent tube. Immerse the strainer in the container of pH- or pH reducer. Connect it to the pH pump inlet on the left. Install the opaque pH injection tube on the injection rod. Connect it to the pH pump outlet on the right. The Aqualyser is supplied with a grounding kit. Make sure it is properly connected to protect your installation. With the help of the drilling template and a level, prepare your reference points. Drill the wall, then fix the control box in the designated spot. Connect each component to the flex box. To help you, we have integrated a notch guide on each connector. Connect the pH pump, the flow detector, the cell, the power supply to the transformer, then the probes, blue pH probe and red ORP probe. Plug the box into a socket protected by a 30 mA circuit breaker. Before switching on the device and your filtration pump, close the inlet and outlet valves of the analysis chamber, the small blue valves, as the probes are not yet installed and this could cause water loss in the technical room. During the first startup, configure your Aqualyser in 3 simple steps. Language: use the arrow keys to scroll through the languages and confirm your choice with OK. Pool volume: use the plus and minus buttons to enter the volume of your pool, then confirm with OK. Mode: select ORP mode with the arrows and confirm with OK to activate automatic regulation. To ensure measurement accuracy, it is important to calibrate the probes. To calibrate the pH probe, in the menu, use the arrow keys to select Calibration, then confirm with OK. Choose Calibrate pH probe, press Start Calibration, then confirm with OK. A message will guide you to finalize the procedure. Remove the probe from its holder and immerse it in the pH 7 buffer solution. Press OK. Calibration begins. Leave the probe in the solution for 5 minutes. You can now place the probe into the probe holder of the analysis chamber. Warning: do not touch the probe head with your fingers and check that it is well immersed in water. To calibrate the ORP probe, in the menu, use the arrow keys to select Calibration, then confirm with OK. Choose Calibrate ORP probe. Press Start Calibration. A message will guide you to finalize the procedure. Remove the probe from its holder and immerse it in the ORP 475 mV buffer solution and press OK. Calibration begins. Leave the probe in the solution for 10 minutes. You can now place the probe into the probe holder of the analysis chamber. Warning: do not touch the probe head with your fingers and check that it is well immersed in water. You can now open the inlet and outlet valves of the analysis chamber to supply it. In the menu, select Dosing Pump to access the set point. The set point is preset to 7.2. Adjust it with the plus or minus buttons. Then confirm with OK. To check pump operation, use the arrows to go to Verification and launch the 15-second test with OK. If necessary, prime the pump by selecting Priming, then confirm with OK. Depending on the distance between the pH pump and the container, you can set the priming time between 10 and 120 seconds. Finally, check that the pH set point is correctly set to 7.2. For proper operation of the Aqualyser, start by testing the main parameters of your pool water: alkalinity, pH, chlorine, stabilizer, hardness, and salt. If adjustment is necessary, do it manually. Add the correct amount of salt, 3 grams per liter. Wait until it is fully dissolved before starting electrolysis. The salt must comply with standard EN 16401. The control screen shows the selected operating mode at the top of the screen here in ORP mode. Below, you can view the pH and ORP display with the value measured in real time by the probe in green, actual value, and the set point in gray. The screen also shows the production rate, water temperature, polarity inversion status, and salt level in grams per liter. At the bottom of the screen, a space is reserved for notifications, low salt, empty pH container, etc. The device is configured. You can open your bypass so that water circulates through the cell and proceed with startup. The operating flow rate of the device is between 5 and 10 cubic meters per hour. To adjust ORP production, simply press the plus or minus buttons. This production depends on prior chlorine tests carried out in the pool. In case of high temperatures or increased pool usage, you can activate the boost mode. The cell will then operate at 100% for 24 hours, like a shock treatment. Once the boost mode is finished, production automatically returns to the initial setting, here 40%. The Aqualyser Flex then ensures automatic regulation of chlorine production according to the desired ORP set point. You can check that production is in progress by observing inside the cell. When the cell is active, you will see gas bubbles forming. In boost mode, this gas production is even more visible. Connect the device to Wi-Fi. To do this, go to the menu, use the arrow keys to select Configuration, OK, then select Wi-Fi. Choose On, OK. Pairing can now begin. Launch the POOLEX app on your smartphone, press Add a device, then select your model. Connect to your home Wi-Fi network. The control box screen will indicate when the connection is established. Confirm by pressing OK to finalize the operation. You can now control your device remotely. Changes will be applied instantly. Manage production, activate boost mode, and view all parameters at a glance. From the application, access complete histories, salinity, temperature, ORP, pH, consumption. Easily modify the modes, ORP, timer, flow, as well as key parameters, volume, ORP, and pH set points, production time, polarity, inversion. Your Aqualyser Flex is ready. To access this guide at any time, scan the QR code on the manual or visit our website. Enjoy your swim.